Thanks for watching Up and Running with HTML. My goal for this course was to introduce you to the basics of HTML, get you comfortable with the syntax, and show you that authoring HTML isn't that hard. Now, obviously, this is not a comprehensive HTML course, and for those of you looking to master web design, you still have a lot to learn. It's not always obvious what your next steps should be. In the next movie, I'm going to go over several resources that can help you learn HTML and serve as quick references, but before I get to that, I wanted to take a moment to give you an idea of where you should turn your focus to next. Make it a priority to find tools that you're comfortable with. I used Komodo Edit for this title because it's cross-browser, it's free, and it's an open-source editor. That doesn't mean that I'm recommending it as your editor of choice or that it's even right for every project. Take time to explore the different types of editors on the market and find the one with the tools and the features that reflect the way that you like to work. A good editor can make the process of authoring websites much easier and make you a lot more productive. If you're working in an environment where you're using a CMS as your primary authoring tool, learn as much as you can about it. Dig through the documentation, experiment with its features, and try to reach a comfort level with it that allows you to stretch its capabilities. Now, while you're becoming more comfortable with your tools, spend some time learning about how the web actually works. Research how web servers work, how servers and browsers communicate with each other, and what happens behind the scenes as your pages are being served to your users. By understanding how the web works, you'll avoid errors that plague many other designers. Also, take some time to figure out what area of web design you want to focus on. Web design is a huge field, and there are a lot of different areas that you could specialize in. Start with the area that interests you first, and then begin to broaden your skill sets once you get comfortable with your initial focus. And finally, break as many things as you can. So many people hold themselves back because they're afraid of breaking something with their inexperience. Just create a little place online that you can work for your own personal site, just your own little corner of the web. Use this area to experiment and build things that you don't know how to build. You will be amazed at how rapidly you progress once you feel free to make mistakes. Along the way, don't forget to have fun. Web design is a creative, fun experience. Don't get so caught up in the code that you forget to realize that in the end, that code is simply an expression of your own creativity.